Just brought a clutch from these guys. It's $1,050 for the clutch. So this is how I tightened it. Bolt, pry bar. Try to hold here. I reckon it might be a bit too much load there. 130 Newton meters. Alright. This has to be cleaned. Get the grease off. They always grease them up so they don't rust. 222 Loctite. Always use that on the bolts. Yeah. So it's in. And just a couple of little tricks while I'm here. I noticed when I was filling up through here, the oil switch, I thought I'd be smart and lay it on the side and prime it. Put oil in there on the filter, with the position it's sitting. And where is it? The cam. There it is. See them cam ports? Adjusting cam timing. Put oil down there as well, and that'll prime the pump. How do I know? Because the oil ran out of there when the engine was on its side. So definitely do that, and it'll give the engine a good head start. So it's about to go in, and with the clutch plate, just always make sure when you get it that it actually fits on the spine and agrees the spine. So just got to make sure it fits and make sure the flywheel was right. So is it going on? If it is, it's a tight fit. I'm not going to be happy it's not going on. Anyway, might be back front in that position. There it is. Yeah, it's on. Just got to make sure, because when you're putting it together and it's not going together, that's the reason. Another thing too, dowels. I had to make that dowel. That was fun. Trying to get it out. That one came out. I usually put a bolt up the guts, clamp it and wiggle it out. That's actually an air fitting. It's super strong air fitting. Really hard to machine. So I push it in there. It's all I can do. I need this thing going. It's a solid clutch. Anyway, see here, when you're looking at them, see the movement? That's normal. That's brand new. So when you see that movement, that's all right. No dramas, apparently. So anyway, so it's something about the clutch. So anyway, that place is in Sydney where I picked that clutch up, Greystones area. So give them a buzz if you're in Australia and pick it up, but they're about the cheapest around. So I'll get this thing in. Thanks for watching.